Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? CSS background, background color, background image, background repeat, background position and more. Let's start coding. Let's start from assigning background color to our web page. I'm going to assign background color to body section. I just need to type body and curly brace, then background color purple and save it and click go live and make it live. So we assign a color to our body section. As you see, our background is purple now. Let's have a look at assigning background image. Let me comment it out, that one, and background image URL, and I just added couple of pictures for you guys. You can download that pictures. Let's say BG Big JPEG and save it. But we can't see the whole picture properly. I assigned that picture, but we just see the part of sky. But I want to see whole picture. I just need to do a couple of things. Background size, cover, and height 100 VH. You see, we see the whole picture on our browser. Cover means allowing the picture cover all our browser, and height 100 VH is about showing the whole picture full of our screen. Let's use another method to assign background image. I commented out background image linear gradient to right, comma, let's say red, blue, and save it. You see guys, it's starting from red and going towards the blue from left to right. Or you can change that one left, completely opposite. Let me show another one. Background image linear gradient red, yellow and blue, and save it. And we see it's looking a little bit weird because we need to assign height, just height and 100 VH and save it. You see guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.